In this video, I'm going to share to you on how you can convert a picture into smart art graphics. So let's get started. Okay, so we just need to open Microsoft Word. Go ahead in the Windows search bar and type Word. Click on Microsoft Word under the best match. Click on the blank document. Then we just need to simply insert a picture first. So click on the Insert tab. Click on Pictures. Click on this device. And then let me go with this picture. Okay, so once you have inserted the picture, we just need to simply select it. So in order to select a picture, you have to click on it to select the picture. And here you can find the picture format tab. Click on that. Now, once you have or you find the options for the picture format, you will notice this picture layout. Convert to Smart Art Graphic. Click on this drop down. And here you can choose your style and your preference and your requirement as to how would you want it to look like, or convert it into Smart Art Graphic by using the templates and variations from here. Okay, so you just need to simply choose any of this. Okay, and that's it. You can add the text in here. Okay, so I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.